Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Welcome, respected sir, my dear friends, all of you teachers. Teachers Day is celebrating the birth anniversary. Today is a birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, 1818, 5th September. Today, 5th September, the birthday Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is a great man, scholar, philosopher, and a teachers. So ideal teachers. So is a great man and ideal teachers. Radhakrishnan is a birth anniversary. All of in chorus. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Vice President of India, first, and second President of India. So, born Radhakrishnan 1888 with September, Tirupati, Tamil Nadu village. So for the nominated Nobel Prize in 27 times and awarded the Bharat Ratna and in 1954 in honor his contribution to education. His birthday celebrated September, and is a teachers and teachers and student to friendship. So a teacher is a kindle and sun. So like to guide teachers, inspiration, so everywhere children. The plant seeds of knowledge, they grow for year. এবং teacher is the best way for student to express love and respect for their teachers. But I remember you always respect their teachers, other teachers. And society, the background society, the development, and they help us to become a good human being. So I hope so all of you teachers and respected, I remember so your teachers among all of you, my dear parents. So thank you. Happy Teachers Day.